Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Kids apps. So first you need to, for download and install, you need to find the YouTube Kids apps on your device app store. You can go to Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Now you can just download and install the app, and after that you need to create a profile for your kid. So you can just open YouTube Kids app, and then here you need to create a profile for your child. So I already have two. Then you can just choose a profile picture here and also a nickname. Here you can see you can choose the nickname and also the profile picture for your kids profile, and then you can just go back when you're done. And after creating a profile, you'll be guided to set the parental controls, so you can customize setting like age appropriateness, video duration limits, and also channel restriction. So here you can click on the you can go to your parents settings. So I'm going to just add a new profile to show you. Here you to add a new profile, you need to enter your Google account password. Okay, so you can see here is how you can create profile. You need to choose the picture like I said before. You can add the kid's name. I'm going to just, for example, say Tim. Here you can choose the age between 0 to how many age that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with my 5-year-old child. You can click on OK, and here you need to go with the birth amount, and then here you can just click on this arrow, and here you choose the recommended content settings for Tim. For example, I'm going to go with this one because the age is 5. You can click on next after that, and here you can select the specific content for your kid. If you want to, you can just click on next and just wait in here. Okay, so the profile has been created. So here at the top you can see that you can go to my setting to set up a secret code with Tim, and this code prevents other kids on this device from accessing that profile. You can click on next again, and here you can go to the parent feature tour in here at the bottom. You can click on done, and let's go to Tim profile in here. So in here you can explore the category that are shows, music, and learning. Here you can also explore it by your own. If you want to block a certain content or channel, you can just click on the 3 dots icon in here, and there will be this option, block this video, for example. But you need to solve this simple math problem because this is a parent's authorized only. So you can just solve this. You can click on submit, and after that videos will be blocked. And if you want to set a timer for your kids, you can click on this lock icon at the bottom, and then again you need to solve this math problem and click on timer, and here you can set up, for example, 30 minutes. You can click on start timer, and the timers will be off, or the phone will be ring, I think, when the time is up. So you can try this YouTube Kids for your children because it will only show content or video based on the age that you chose before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.